at Blacksburg Police Station, installing silver pipe today with the new laser that we have. It's a dual grade laser, so we can shoot up a hill or down a hill. We started digging this ditch about 2 hours ago, and it's about a 100-foot ditch, and we're starting to lay pipe now. So by the end of the day today, we'll have a 100-foot laid. The value is it saves time and money for the company along with your employees. And it sped up the process of installing underground piping dramatically compared to the old ways of a board and a level. It saves time because one person can do it instead of having an 8-foot board and a level, and you'd have to get down a level and then move the board and keep moving. This, you can stand on the side of the ditch and just put it down. When it beeps and shows that it is good, you just move on to the next section. You can see the guys laying the ditch right now. They just shot it, we bedded the pipe, re-shot it again, got the grade that we needed, and we're installing pipe. Even after we do use the laser, we still do come back with a level and check our pipes and make sure that everything is still accurate. I just love being around these guys. It's always something new and different every day. Done really well. We've laid a lot of pipe. We started here Monday, and we probably by the end of the week we'll probably have 200, 300 foot of pipe laid.